Shanko Decorative Metal Ceilings is the world's largest manufacturer of decorative metal ceiling and wall tiles. We proudly continue to produce the highest quality products manufactured in the United States of America. Shanko's ceilings quality is second to none for a number of reasons, including using only century-old hand-carved first-generation dies, the largest power presses in the industry, capable of producing the 800 tons of stamping pressure, over 125 years of combined expertise and industry know-how from our owner-operated and managerial staff. But don't just take our word for it. These visuals will demonstrate firsthand how superior our quality is from our competitors.